And your gyro's not on now, is it? Man, we told you. Come on, Frankie.
Gyro off.
And this plane doesn't need any frame as well.
You're right, it doesn't need.
Doesn't need it.
I know what you're gonna say. This thing is boring.
Oh, it's not boring at all. Go, turn it back on. Hot Rod Bob! Looking good, Frankie. Yes, especially when you fly with other people.
Careful, Bob is there.
Bob, okay? You alright?
It feels so small though.
It is. After that, especially. That's why you stay close.
Yeah. This plane is faster than what it seems.
Yeah. It's a lot faster than you think. Because I can keep up with your F4 with mine. Is that you? Do not stall it. That's, you can see why. You see what it does? It does weird shit. Look out for Bob. It'll start flopping around like a fish if you stall
It's
it.
like the F5, but that's a bit better.
It is a sporty plane.
No, when it comes to stalling, it stalls almost like the F5.
You'll want a little bit of a mix for rudder, to aileron to rudder. Otherwise,
I think I need my
otherwise it does this little.
This
Is it? That's touchy for you?
super touchy for
Okay.
me.
But if you notice, it's doing that weird adverse yaw wiggle.
I don't have any mix. The only mix I have is a bit of a elevator up on flaps. It really needs it. And don't over flare it. That's another.
Yeah, you gotta make sure you're down.
My aileron. Low pass! My ailerons are like super.
That's touchy for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
The other thing I would recommend is before you land, check the flaps. Just do a pass with flaps. Get used to them because again, this plane is a.
The important keep power on with them too. I didn't have any.
I have a gyro either.
I didn't have any coupling with mine either. Any compensation needed.
I have some compensation just to help with the flaring.
I'm gonna turn off the gyro slowly on this pass.
Okay.
So I can see what she does.
It rocks a little bit on landing. You'll notice. Yeah. Where's Carl? I thought Carl was coming.
Yeah, definitely a small gyro.
Does the ailerons feel touchy to you? Okay. How much expo do you have?
20%.
And you see it's bouncing.
Roll it, see what's your roll rate.
It's bouncing too.
But it's bouncing.
And I think that's your adverse yaw thing going on. When I put the mix in mine, it went away.
Bob is landing.
There you go, Bob. You good? Sorry.
And this thing will fly for 5 minutes, Frank. Easy.
It's almost clear. We can't think.
It also feels like it might be a little bit nose heavy.
What battery are you using?
4000.
Which one?
45, 50C.
Okay.
What, the heavy duty? The heavy duty?
The China Hobby line?
Yeah.
Okay.
China.
Yeah, so I fly the heavy duty all the way up to the stuck to the back.
Down the back. There you go. Keep the nose down. And there you go. Don't let it drop. There you go. You'll get used to it.
Are you logged yet, Frank?
Not yet. But I'm getting there. I can't see the damn plane.
Keep it close.
I'm gonna paint it like, I have to paint it.
That's what you
No, I'm gonna do like Blue Angel or something.
do. Ooh, that would look good.
I'm gonna do Blue Angel, like something I can really see. Because right now, once it gets out, I can't see shit.
Good go, Frankie.
That's what it was designed to do.
That's the point, yeah.